Hello guys again, my name is Andrew and today we have a new unboxing. This is the SILVERCREST kitchen tool. This is a contact grill, of course, for grilling, toasting and gratinating. It's all about food, it's all about the taste. Yeah, of course. We have max 2000 watts. Okay, let's see some specs here. We have 4 grilling toasters, as I say, with 3 function: cotton grilling, panning maker, tabletop grill, removable aluminum grill blades with high quality non-stick coating by iLag. iLag, it's non-stick switch technology, Corflon Ultra, as you see here, down there. Very nice. Well, okay, variable thermostat, includes a trip tray and cleaning scrubber. Instruction for use with 10 recipes. Okay, let's see what we have inside. What else, of course? Oh, some foam. Okay, time to get it out. And here it is. Inside we are going to find manuals. If you want to use the manuals, how to grill, cook, it's your choice. Inside this is the spatula, as is said. And here it is the grill. Let's put out the foams. Okay, very nice. Lovely. Release button. I think it's releasing the plates. Okay. Somewhere here we have some sort of security, how to open it. Oh, tray. Let's see, let's find it. Okay. Ta-da! And this is toast. Okay, here we have something, oh, very big. It's for the grilling, the fat and the oil is going here, everything. It's very good not to drop the oil down, make a mess. Okay, this is a button. When you push it, it goes 180 degrees. Like that. It's very easy to grill in both of them, in both of the plates. Okay. Here we get the power, ready, and max temperature adjustments. Very nice. Here is the locking and unlock, lock and unlock, as you see, and is unlocking. We have 2, 3, 4 V. This is for adjusting. Just like that. If you want to put it in that way, or here more, it's what about you want to toast. Okay, next we have a release button here. Release the plate and go wash it. It's very useful, this, very durable and strong. This is, I brought it from Lidl. It's only cost 50 euros. I think it's very good product for using. The same release is down there. And you see the system, the heating system. Let's see what we have here. Okay, SILVERCREST. And down there we have some, have some kind of legs. If you want to put it more in an angle. Okay. And let's see in a close look, and very close look, how it looks. Okay. Well guys, that was all. That was the unboxing of the SILVERCREST contact drill for grilling, toasting and more gradinating. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice. But please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future it will come and you don't want to miss it, because I buy these products that you don't have to buy it before me, and I will test it to see if it's good or bad. And definitely I will test it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.